Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a treat that's as delightful to make as it is to eat. The ultimate carrot cake. If you're a fan of moist, flavorful cakes with a hint of spice, you're in for a real treat. So grab your apron and let's dive into this amazing recipe. Number 1. Gathering the ingredients. Before we get started, let's make sure we have all the ingredients we need. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups grated carrots, 1½ cups granulated sugar, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/2 cup crushed pineapple, drained, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts, optional but recommended. Number 2. Mixing the batter. Let's start by combining our wet ingredients. In goes the vegetable oil, followed by the granulated sugar. We'll give this a good whisk until it's well incorporated. Now let's crack in the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Eggs add moisture and richness to our cake. Host, pouring in vanilla extract. A little splash of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma. Number 3. Adding the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, we have our dry ingredients, a mix of flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and our aromatic spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. Now we'll gradually add these dry ingredients to our wet mixture. Remember, don't overmix. We want a tender cake. Number 4. Incorporating the goodies. Time to bring in the star ingredients. Grated carrots for sweetness and moisture. Crushed pineapple adds a tangy twist, and chopped walnuts for that delightful crunch. Number 5. Baking it to perfection. Our batter is ready and looking absolutely amazing. Let's pour it into our pre-greased cake pans. I'm using 2 8-inch pans here. These babies are headed into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for around 25 to 30 minutes. Check with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, they're ready. Number 6. The grand final. Cream cheese frosting. No carrot cake is complete without its crown. Cream cheese frosting. Whip together cream cheese and butter until smooth. Then, gradually add powdered sugar and a dash of vanilla extract. Number 7. Assembling and decorating. Our cakes have cooled down nicely. Let's slather on a generous layer of cream cheese frosting. Time to stack our second layer and frost the top and sides. You can get as creative as you want with the frosting. Number, the delicious slice. And there you have it, the moment we've all been waiting for. The first slice of this moist and irresistible carrot cake. The flavors, the textures. It's an absolute masterpiece. Trust me, this carrot cake will steal a show at any gathering. Thanks for joining me on this carrot cake baking adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a mouth-watering recipe. Until next time, happy baking!